Greetings from Söderbysjön and this nudist beach spot in the beautiful nature. It is 8th of September 2025. The hour is 12:30 p.m. and I am back again at the Sweden beach adventures after a short break, and I am once again on this spot. Last time I was here it was 16 degrees Celsius in the air and 17 in the lake. Now it is quite warmer in the air, 20 degrees Celsius, and we're gonna soon find out how much it is in the lake as well. And I am having here my Scott gravel bike that got me here, 7.5 kilometers, 19 minutes. And after experiencing the warm weather in Greece, now it's a bit chillier, but I would say that this is more better in a sense also, because it is also more refreshing indeed. And yes, it is time for yet another beach adventure with Chris from the beautiful nature and this spontaneous nudist beach spot on the Söderbysjön. Now my water thermometer has a malfunction, but I think it will be able to measure the temperature of the lake anyway. While the temperature is being measured, yeah, it's time to show you more around here, but you have seen this spot many times before. And yeah, 8th of September is also the National Independence Day of my home country, Macedonia. So if I have some Macedonian viewers, happy day of Happy Independence Day, Srećan dan na nezavisността, that is usually celebrated with fireworks and festival in the center of the cities around the country. And as I said, 20 in the air. Is it possible? 20 in the lake as well. So the water has warmed up since last time. It was 17 degrees last time. So yeah, but that was like 10 days ago. I'm confused but positively surprised as well, and I can't believe that I'm taking a swim now on this 8th of September at this beautiful weather. And as I have suspected, September is going to offer us great weather. Hopefully that this will continue as it is. This wonderful sunny weather with very low UV index compared to the Mediterranean countries, where still we have temperatures over 30 degrees and the sea is also very warm. It's good to feel a bit refreshed in the Swedish climate, nature, and this beautiful place just for me on this Monday. Happy Monday all, and now it's time to hit the waters here in Söderbysjön Lake. So let's roll. The forecast says it's gonna be cloudy, and there are some clouds, but the sun is overcoming them somehow at this point, as you can see. And I'm super surprised still that it is 20 degrees in the lake, but I will definitely enjoy. I'm a little bit also with a common cold, but nothing severe. So I think that the chilly water of 20 degrees will warm me up a bit. Okay, so steady. And yes, this spot I have shown you many times before, and it's one of the closest spontaneous nudist beach spots to my home. Are we ready? The sun is now back at full speed on this 8th of September, and ready, set, and go! Whew. That was nice. That was absolutely nice. The water is very green inside, It's because of all of the plants and nature stuff, but it is quite nice. Yeah, it is 20 degrees. It's not as cold as expected. So yesterday in Skiatos it was 27 in the sea, and here in the lake in Stockholm it is 20 degrees. Not much of a difference if you ask me, but I will definitely check the Baltic Sea in the upcoming days and see what kind of temperatures we are there, because that is a fair comparison, much more fair than this. So with this wonderful nature, it's time to wrap up with another beach adventure from a nudist beach spot from the Swedish nature. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and make sure to stay tuned for more beach adventures from Sweden and Stockholm on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.